afternoon, so I decided to kick off this vlog right here when I am making this mashed banana salad. Now you guys would have known potato salad, breadfruit salad, sweet potato salad. Now I'm here at my family house and they decided that they're making banana salad for dinner. But you know me already more like rice, so I first make it. I didn't tell me about it. So I'm adding some butter. Yes, some butter have to be added, just like regular mashed potato. You add butter and mayonnaise. So I'm mashing it here. Guys, may I tell you, try this. Get some nice soft banana and try this. And I go love it. I never know me would I love it, but right now I'm in love with it. So you just want to boil the bananas first, and as I said, you can add your butter. Make sure you boil it in a little salt, cause you don't want a fresh banana. And then you add your butter, and then afterwards you can add your mayonnaise. So you can add the mayonnaise based on how you actually want it and how moist you want it. Well, we love mayonnaise, so imagining how I normally do mashed potato, I just do that with this one. We don't want a dry banana salad. Anyway, so this is me mashing, mixing it actually with the mayonnaise, just to get it all moist and everything. So guys, I can tell you, try this. Alright, so now I'm separating my grandmother's own. Maybe me will take this too. So the thing is, we're going to put mixed vegetable in it, and then we mix it with it. My aunt and my mother didn't want any mixed vegetable in there, so that is what I'm actually doing. I'm taking out some because I don't want to do too much for my grandmother, because other persons need to get this and need to taste this banana salad. Mashed potato, I don't mashed potato. This can be by side dish. Not about dinner. And this is what it turns out to look like. Served with some steamed veg and some corn. Let me know if you would try this. Good morning guys, so today is a rainy day. I'm heading out for work. I should reach for 9 o'clock. Now it's after 8, so I will reach in time. Okay, so I'm back home from work after a long day. Work was just okay, not very tiring. I came home and I cooked some white rice, curry chicken, and I looked about some okra and some string bean as well. So here I'm sharing my lunch for tomorrow. Yeah, I like to come home and cook and prep for at least a day or two, because the thing is, lunch is expensive. Like, to get a good lunch you have to spend at least $1,000. So to spend $1,000 every day for lunch, no, can't afford it. So I'm here sharing out my dinner and lunch, and then I'll be eating and just relax for the rest of the night. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, relax for the rest of the night, and then I think you guys will see me going to work the next morning, so you guys can watch me share my lunch, prepare, and I'll catch you up.
두 눈을 감아 가만히 더 느껴봐 기분 좋은 긴장감 내게 말해줘 tonight 널 알고 싶어 따분할 만큼 이성적이었던 나 무너지고 있잖아 네 앞에 서면 생각도 멈춰 사랑에 빠지는 건 바보 같다고 그렇게 난 믿었었는데
I spent $350 for this at Super Value. I also got this set of milk. Honestly, I've never had lactose free milk, but I got this set for $565. It expires December 2023. It's now November the 8th, so no milk, we not keep milk so long, and even if we keep it so long, it not go pull on anything. I am not really a healthy eater, but I bought this just in case I like it. I might also send one to my mother. I got both of them for it's buy one get one free. I got it for $713 plus tax for the two of them. So you know, every time I have to stop at the supermarket and get something. So dinner is some egg fried rice with chicken in it and some leftover string bean I had. I just spin it up with some soy sauce and thing, yeah. Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So I am here heading to work in the rain. It's not really falling heavy yet, it's just drizzling. So we're having a sale. We're having a sale at our workplace now as well. I should reach work for 9. I lie,
8 o'clock. No, it's 7 o'clock. So, hope you enjoy your day. And I hope you enjoy this vlog. Alright, so see you at work. So they say there's a tropical storm out now. We are under tropical storm watch. I'm heading to work, so it's a stormy day at work. I hope we get some customers today as well. But I know the sales rep, they were actually prospecting. So let me see how it goes, and I will keep you updated. What? This a lobster too?
Yep.
Rotted. Then a woman always like something sense them say somebody in there go buy and me is the buyer. I love buy. I love buy for true. So let me tell you. May I take a picture, send and see if I can get 2 order. But you have to go sort out some nice set for me. Alright. So
the bigger one them are smaller. The smaller one they get more. Make a skin lobster.
them let me get how much?
No, forget the 2 pounds.
Enough me get?
Yeah. 2 pounds.
Alright. Sort me out then. Benefit.
And 2 are big too.
Rotted never reach 2 pounds yet for true. See?
That would give me one.
Anyway, where your YouTube channel name?
Journey to believe.
Huh?
Journey to believe.
Alright guys, so you can visit him on YouTube, Journey to Believe. And him do spear fishing and him something there too.
They not show me.
Yeah. Oh, him say him want to see him for you. See him there.
Subscribe guys, Journey to Believe. And subscribe to our channel and run up the views and likes. Alright.
Alright guys. Alright, so I'm off to work today. Today is actually my day off, but I'm switching days today because she's not feeling well, so I'm going into relief today.
Can you use Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh, then we don't know more.
You know from when we don't come out here, so after we reach here, nice work, about 2 weeks now. You have chicken cooked up in the airport? You're not London anymore.
No, none there.
How much should I buy some of them cards from now? $200.